Hi everyone, so this is going to be a very basic jQuery challenge. In this challenge you need to have these 5 options. So when you will click on this all option, all should be selected. When I uncheck this, all should be deselected, or you can say unchecked. So in case if all are checked, if I'll uncheck this thing should go off. This is your challenge. Try to pause the video, wrap this up, and then you can resume this video just to see what is your approach and what is my approach. So if you're done with the challenge, let's see what's my approach is. We need to create a couple of files here. So the first will be script.js. Then we need index.html. So let's have some basic structure here. And let's start creating the checkboxes. So it will be input, type will be checkbox. So let's make it all, ID will be all. Let's take the value also, make it all. And here you can put all. Just paste this 4 times. Let's make it mango. Sorry, it was apple, I think. Then make it orange. Here I think it was mango. And it was grapes. Just make a changes here. You can skip this if you are thinking it's boring. That's it. But I think it will be better if we should use label here instead of choosing some text like that. So let's make it for all and put it here. Same goes here. Label, make it apple. Great. Now let's add a reference to that script file, which is script.js. We are also going to use jQuery here. So just go to Google, take the CDN link of jQuery. So we need a minified. Just copy this and paste it here. Great. So we're done with the HTML part. Now just save it and open this file in the browser. Great. Now it's time to work on jQuery code. Let's go to the script file and here start making use of jQuery. As you know, we need to make use of document ready function first. So selector for all is all here. So let's select it by ID. So we need to check the click event here. You can also go with the change event, whatever you feel right. Sorry for this, I should not be like this. Now we need to check if this option is selected or not. So let's create a variable here. Let's make it const is checked. And when you make use of this here, This basically refer to this element. So we'll check for the property checked. Now we need to select all other options. So in this case, we'll go with the input selector. Okay. And there will be each function. Now we'll loop through all the checkboxes. In this case, this keyword refers to the current checkbox. So we have to select it. So we'll make use of prop function checked, and here we should pass the value of this is checked variable. Now let's test this. Save it, go to browser, and let's click on this. All are selected. If I'll click on this, all are unchecked, or you can say deselected. So the only thing which is remaining here, when you select all the options and by mistake you just uncheck one of the options, for example this one, so this thing is not valid. We should uncheck this one also. In such a scenario, we have to make use of not selector. So we are going to select all the input elements except this one. So let's make use of not, and we have to pass the ID of that checkbox, which is all. Drill is pretty much the same. So we'll have this anonymous function here. Now we have to uncheck this thing. For that, we'll select it like this with the ID and prop checked set to false. That's it. Now when you will save it, click on this, all are selected, uncheck it, all are unchecked. Now select again. Now just uncheck any one of them. Let's make it this thing. So you can see this is unchecked now. So this is how it actually works. This is the piece of code to select and deselect all the items, and this is the option which will do this magic. When you select all of them, uncheck or deselect any one of them, you will get all unchecked. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.